guys, today I am going to tell you some basic English phrases that you use on daily basis. Move aside, एक तरफ बैठो. Move aside. What is that? वो क्या है? What is that? Let me check. मुझे देखने दो. Let me check. Don't doubt. शक मत करो. Don't doubt. I think so. मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I think so. Don't yell. चिल्लाओ मत. Don't yell. So far. अभी तक. So far. Don't forget. भूलो मत. Don't forget. Come in. अंदर आओ. Come in now. अभी अंदर आओ. Go out. बाहर जाओ. Go out now. अभी बाहर जाओ. Pick up. उठाओ. Pick up the apple. सेब उठाओ. Put down. नीचे रखो. Put down the kid. बच्चे को नीचे रखो. Go up. ऊपर जाओ. Go upstairs. सीढ़ियों के ऊपर जाओ. Go down. नीचे आओ. Go downstairs. सीढ़ियों से नीचे आओ. Push in. अंदर धक्का दो. Push in drawer. दराज को अंदर धक्का दो. Pull out. बाहर खींचो. Pull out drawer. दराज को बाहर खींचो. What is the day today? आज कौन सा दिन है? What is the day today? मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा. I will have to think. I will have to think. मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा. I will have to think. Touch wood. कहीं नजर ना लग जाए. Touch wood. What a bother. क्या मुसीबत है. What a bother. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.